A symmetric property means this side becomes this side, and this side becomes this side. Tell me what to write for the symmetric property. See, all you got to do is listen. Raise your hand if you know the next step. Brandon, you should be getting this down. You write these down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, a half, maybe. Oh, maybe here. Okay, I'm going to have Wyatt Dillingham tell me the next step. Wyatt, what do you think?
Take 9.8W minus 5.4W.
Very good. He looks ahead. He's going to subtract it from here, because if this is baby, he's coming over here to find mama, right? This W term is finding this W term. Very good, Wyatt.
How do you know whether to subtract if the equal sign?
Because you look to the left of the term. There's nothing there, so that's a plus, Alex. To get rid of it, we do the opposite, don't we? They're adding 5.4W, so we will subtract 5.4W from both sides. Never mind. Okay? Go ahead, Wyatt. Okay, now what? What else is over here?
Minus 2.4 or 2.8
Very good.
equals 5.4W minus 5.4W plus 8.2.
Very good, Wyatt. Nice job. Does everybody see what Wyatt did? He wants to put this W guy on the left side because letters go left and numbers go right. It was here, but that's not the biggest one. If I would have brought the 9.8 over, you can do that, but now you're negative. See that? So it's better to do a symmetric. Now you can work in positive numbers. That is not a rule, that is a suggestion. But more people seem to be getting it when you do it that way. Okay? All right, Brandon, can you give me the next step?
That would be 4.4W.
Very good.
2.8.
This is a minus.
Yes. Minus 2.8.
Okay, what happens in this parentheses?
0.
0 plus 8.2 is?
Equals 8.2.
Right, we don't have to put the 0 step in anymore. We used to. Lucas, do you recognize this as a problem that used to be a given?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, guys, look what happened. By doing that and starting you out this way, you now have come to a step where you say, hey, these are last week's problems. We know how to do this. We know how to do this. Okay, Adam, tell me how to finish this problem just in your own words. We have 2 steps left.
Okay. Wait. 4.4W.
If they subtract 2.8, what do we do?
Add 2.8.
If they multiply by 4.4, we by, and you're done, aren't you?
Yeah.
Does everybody in the room know how to finish this problem? If you do, I'm not going to do it for you. You do it yourself. Can you get to this point, do you think? All right, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do one more with a distributive property, so you have that as an example for tomorrow when I'm gone. I'm going to do a distributive property, okay? So get this down. All right, and the video will be uploaded so that if you get stuck tomorrow, when you come to that problem, what's it going to be called? I'll let you know. Okay, it'll just be on YouTube. YouTube, Mrs. Sweet's math question. Okay. All right. We're going to do a distributive property. We're going to do number 29. 29. All right. You guys are going to do it. Who wants to try one? Who wants to try one? Tristan Whitty wants to try one. And we're going to do 29 right now. Okay? All right. Number 29. Amanda, you want to read and give them to me? Plus 5.
Equals 3. No, not 3. Yeah, W minus.
All right. All right. Distributive property, Colin Christensen. Distributive property.
The 2 goes, or no, 5.
Multiply it, outside times inside, outside times inside.
6 plus 5.
What's 2 times W?
2. 2W.
What's 2 times 3?
6.
That's distributive property. You take the number on the outside times the first thing inside, that's this. You take the number on the outside times the second thing inside, that's that. 6, right? Alright, on this side column, do the distributive property.
3W. And then negative, or this 3.
3 times 1 is 3, right? The minus sign comes down. Alright, now ask yourself this question. Is the bigger lettered term on the left side?
No.
Walker, put it there.
Alright, it'd be, you'd have to do symmetric to get 3W over.
Okay, symmetric property. He said, now, Walker, when you bring this over, I want you to put these two together because they match. Okay, so tell me what to write.
2W minus 6, or
Okay, what's negative 6 plus 5?
Negative 1.
negative 1.
Right, you can go plus negative if you want. All right, this little guy has to find the partner, the other W. Lucas, give me the next step. This guy has to come over here with the partner. So what are you going to do to get it over there?
3W minus 2W
Good?
minus 3 equals 2W minus 2W and minus 1.
Okay? All right, you see what he did? You understand, Brandon? Subtracted 2W from both sides. Hunter Rantham.
Yes.
Do your parentheses now. What do you get here?
1W minus 3 equals negative 1.
There is that. There is that problem. Does everybody know how to finish the problem from that point? You see that? When you work with the letter first, you get an equation about the fourth step down that you should recognize. Okay? All right? Tell me how to finish this. Go ahead. Add 3 to both sides. Then what? Okay, you really don't need to, but you can. 1 times W is W, isn't it? Okay? So, let's review. Then I'm going to put you in groups, and I'm going to put you, I don't want any group bigger than 4, and I can get to groups faster than I can get to 23 of you, okay? So we're going to put you in groups. I will lay the book out there. You can know if, when you get done if your answer is right or not, just check. The important thing is, do I get the steps? Okay?
Sweet, can you do number 10?
Can you do number 10? We'll do one more. He asked to see number 10, we'll do number 10. Now that you've got this down, we'll try it.
How come when you did number 5, you did 20C minus 5,
5C.
5C, yeah. And then when you did number 12, you did the opposite of.
Number 12, we did a symmetric first because the bigger term was on the right side.
And then you did the opposite. So
No,
what-
then we did the same thing. We subtracted the smaller letter term, 5.4, from both sides. We did the exact same thing. I'll come back
Would
in your
Chris Keller please come to the office?
I'll come back in your group and show you.
Bless you.
We did the exact same thing, Alex. Okay, this is number 10. We're going to do number 10. I'm going to put it up. You guys are going to tell me how to do it, and then you're into groups. Okay, last example. Does this bar go all the way through?
Yes.
Yes, so what is the first thing you're going to do?
Get rid of the 8.
Get rid of the 8, thank you. Okay, why the 8 and not the 4? Why wouldn't you multiply by the 4, Justin Moody?
Because the line goes all the way through on the front side.
Well, it does on that side too. Isn't